Yo, what's going on YouTube? And today I'm back with another hack for you. And today we're gonna do it with the Help Episode app. I'm gonna show you how you can get unlimited hacks and everything, So today you can see me on the screen it's showing the gems. I got 60. Well, I don't have 60. You can get 60 gems for $4.99. All right, and at the top I have 425 diamonds, 150 tickets, and it's just showing you all the options. You can get 675 for $50, 10 diamonds. It's just all type of different resources that you guys can have just for downloading and just taking advantage. So I'm gonna head out and let's see. We're gonna go to search, and what I like to do is go to Safari. But before we do that, let's see. All right, let me get off my YouTube. Type in tweakvalley.com, and I use Safari. Okay, let's scroll on down. All right, and what we're gonna type in is episode, and as you can see, it pops up right there, episode plus, and we're gonna start installing. Yeah, we're gonna get those unlimited resources. That's what we need. That's what we're gonna do with the episode hack from yours truly. Still installing. Signing episode version 7.8. And it is Android friendly. You can take advantage of these things right now. I'm glad you're getting it right here with me. Okay, it looks like so I'm gonna hit allow. Profile downloaded, you hit close. All right, and we're gonna go to the settings. Don't hit on the fluffy pink one. And you're gonna install, hit next, and profile is not signed, install, done. All right, and that, my fellow episode lovers, you can see it right there on the screen moving around. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and that's how we do it.